Hello everybody, Tony here from Kernersville Dodge, bringing you this 21 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. Let's get started. This features a diamond black crystal pearl coat exterior paint, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, sport hood, premium LED fog lamps with dark lens tail lamps, and the back features a dual dark chrome exhaust tips, gloss black Jeep badging. Under the hood is a 3.6 liter V6 engine with an 8-speed transmission. Now, let's take a look on the inside. Interior features include black leather trimmed seats, steering wheel mounted shift controls, sport mode, heated seats and steering, backup camera with rear parking assist, blind spot and cross path detection, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, parallel and perpendicular parking assist, and a wonderful sunroof. Visit 31dodge.com for your next new or pre-owned vehicle, free shipping on all new vehicles up to 300 miles from our dealership, and free shipping on all certified pre-owned vehicles up to 200 miles from our dealership. Our trained staff can work with you on bringing your dream vehicle right to your doorstep. This is our 21 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Until next time.